I wish I knew these 10 things before I started my YouTube channel, but you know, better late than never. If you stay till the end of this video, I will give you a bonus tip. So 11. You win, I win. Let's start. Number 1, create fast thumbnails with Canva for free. When I first started my YouTube journey 3 weeks ago, I was obsessed to making the perfect thumbnail, because guess what? The gurus of YouTube told me that the most important part of the video is the thumbnail and the title. No, it's not. It's not the most important. It is important, but not the most important one. Content of the video is the most important one. So that's why after making my first 10 videos, I discovered Canva templates, and I'm using Canva templates even now after 3 weeks. And I'm creating my thumbnails like this. Fast, 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 fast. And guess what? You can change the thumbnail of your video anytime. Why nobody speaks about that? So let's say that you put it a thumbnail that you don't like and nobody clicks on your video and blah, blah, blah. You can go to your YouTube studio and change it right away, every day. Come on, speak about it, guys. So what I do now, I just focus to do something eye-catching, and then I can tweak it a little bit later. And I focus more on the content of my video and on the title. Number 2 is that music is not necessary in the first videos. What do I mean by that? It's already so complicated for a new YouTuber to make all those things, to create a video, to think of a video idea, to tell a story, to be comfortable in speaking in front of a camera, to set up the lights, to set up the mic, to set up your mind. And then you have to add some music on the video. And as a new YouTuber, you might get copyright claims because it's not possible to know it all, not possible to not make mistakes at the beginning, but it's better if we avoid the copyright claims at first. I'm not gonna lie to you, if your content is good, nobody will care about the background music, seriously. If you look on my videos, I have no music on them. And I'm still getting subscribers, I still have views on my channel, people still watch my content without any background music. This video don't have any background music. This saved me so much time, and I'm stress-free for now. Later on, when I know perfectly the other aspects of making a video and post it out there, then I will be focused on music, but not at the moment, not now. I'm a new YouTuber. I need to focus on delivering value on my videos and good quality, not good music. Good music is for artists. I'm not an artist. Number 3, avoid spending money on expensive and fancy gear. Oh boy, I fell into that trap in the beginning of my first video, and I said, Sabrina, how are you going to record on your phone, on your camera phone, and make a quality video? Do you see the quality? Look, it's perfect, and I'm recording from my iPhone. And I was like, you have to buy the latest camera with lens and 3D. What? I know nothing about camera and microphones and nothing. I'm gonna focus on this fancy stuff and expensive stuff when I will have the capital, my friend, the budget. Yeah, I have nothing now. I just want to make money on YouTube with no money. And when I will have money, I will invest in my business. Now, I don't. My goal is to make 100 videos, and if I don't see any progress on this 100 video, which will be recorded from my phone, from my iPhone, if I don't see improvement, then I will not buy any expensive gear. But if I see improvement and I see that my subscribers count go up and my watch time hour go up, and there is a potential to win some money, make some good money out of YouTube, then yeah, I will invest in my YouTube channel. Otherwise, what's the point? Why spend all this money for nothing? And I see it from a viewer point. When I watch a video on YouTube, I don't care about the quality of the image that much, or of the quality of the audio, or the quality of the light. I don't care that much. I only care what the person in front of me is speaking about. I only care about the topic, not about how he looks and if I can see all the pimples on his face. Number 4. Simple editing is enough at the start of your journey. Okay, here's the deal. A fancy editing style won't save a boring video. If I'm staying in front of a camera like this, hi guys, my name is Sabrina and today I will be But if I'm like, hi there, how are you today? Or today I'll be speaking about blah, blah, blah. And I'm so excited, really excited. And I'm Sabrina, by the way. What's your name? Ha, ha, ha. That's better, isn't it? I would watch myself. You see in this video over here, my editing is all about a few cuts. When I do this, and I have to cut it, and a few sound effects if they're needed, and a few subtitles. That's it, nothing else. So the key here, my friend, is to let your content idea to shine through. Again, from my point of view as a viewer, as a content consumer, when I see a video with lots of editing and fancy editing, I lose the message. I can't focus on what the person in front of me is speaking about. So it's more important to communicate your points clearly than to just edit. Number 5, nobody cares about your mistakes. Perfection is underrated, my friend. Come on, nobody cares about your first videos. If you're perfect, if you speak perfect in front of the camera, if your light is perfect, nobody cares. They will watch you for your personality and for your talent and for your skill and for the message you want to deliver. Viewers appreciate authenticity and honesty, and they want to see your journey, to learn from your mistakes, to follow you. It's okay to make a language mistake if English is not your first language, your native language. It's okay, nobody cares. People love to see new people starting on YouTube, even when they want to start something new. They want to see the real struggle. They don't want to see everything edited, everything cut. No, they want to see raw truth. If you see my feed on YouTube, you will see that I only watch YouTube videos from new YouTuber, 1 year and down. And my favorites one are the new ones because I see their progress. Number 6, the perfect niche doesn't exist. Internet is full of gurus who say to you, find your niche, narrow down your niche, and you have to have a very specific niche, and you have to be very perfect choosing your niche, and stay a year and a half and look for your niche. BS. I will tell you what worked for me. My niche is not a niche. I'm experimenting things. I do video about how I started on YouTube. I make videos about mental health. I make videos about tutorials. I make videos about... I'm not an expert on anything. And most of the people that want to start a YouTube channel is not an expert. They pretend to be, they are not. You've seen many YouTubers, new YouTubers, that they say, I don't know where to start. I can't find a niche. Why? Because you have so many things inside your beautiful head that you cannot decide. So don't decide, just start. Do not decide today what your niche will be. You will decide when you reach 100K of subscribers. Don't forget that you are a human. You like everything and nothing. Sometimes I like cooking, sometimes I don't like cooking. Sometimes I like cats, sometimes I like dogs. Sometimes I like children, sometimes I'm terrified of children. My advice here is to tell you, just enjoy the journey. It's not about the destination. It's about the journey on your YouTube. Don't pick a niche. Your niche should be a not niche. Number 7, stress of metrics and analytics. For a new YouTuber, it is so easy to fall into analytics trap, checking your views, your subscribers count, who commented, who viewed your video, why it's not working, why do I have less views, and why my subscribers, I'm already stressed. I remember when I uploaded my first video, I was every every 10 minutes on my YouTube studio, and I was refreshing the page to see if somebody viewed my video. And then the first 6 hours I had 0 views, and then I was feeling so discouraged that I decided to send the video to my sister, to my partner, to my brothers, and I said, hey, check my video, like, subscribe. But my initial goal was to surprise them that I have a YouTube channel, but I couldn't resist, and I told them from the first 6 hours of creating my first video. Come on! I never did that mistake again. Since then, since my first video, I focused on creating good content. Not perfect yet. I think this is the best video I have done since then. I love engaging with my small community and the few comments that I have on my videos. And I know deep down, deep in my heart, that the numbers will follow along. I'm only 3 weeks posting on YouTube. My expectation should be here, not... If you're struggling like I was struggling, take a deep breath and remember why you have started this journey, and then everything will fall into place. Number 8, trending videos. I'm following a new YouTuber. Her name is Alexa Saranoia, and she's on YouTube for 3 months, I think, I'm not sure yet. And I saw that her channel grew overnight to 7,000 subscribers, I think. I'm gonna put it somewhere here to see where she is right now. I think 6.5, I'm not sure. And she's already monetized. And I was curious, because I haven't even started my journey yet, and I was curious to see what did she do so her channel was growing so much. And guess what? I went to her channel and I scrolled down on her videos and I selected the popular one, and she only has one trending video that everybody's doing, which is how YouTube changed my life as a mom of 3 or something like that. And she has like 50k of likes, no, 50k views, not likes. And this is the top viewed video on her channel, and I suppose that this video got her so fast monetized. That was a training video. It is a video that every new YouTuber makes, and everybody wants to watch the journey and the feelings of a new YouTuber, and that's why she got monetized so fast. The important thing over here is that you need to make sure that the trending video that you want to create should align with your niche. Let's say that on your channel you're speaking about money and you choose to do a trending video about makeup. This won't work, because the subscriber will see the rest of your content and they will say, she's not a makeup artist, why is she doing this trend or something like that. You should follow trending videos because it would boost your channel, but be aware not to be totally different from your other content. Number 9, you can change the video title anytime you want as well. I know it sounds simple and everybody should know that, but I didn't know that as a beginner YouTuber because nobody talks about it. Only a new YouTuber would know how many times I've changed my mind about the title, and to not know that you can change it, it blocks your mind. But now you know, so don't let it discourage you. You can change it anytime. Whenever you find the perfect title, then you can change it. Yes, the title can make a huge difference on your video. For example, when I watch a video, first thing that attracts me to watch the video is the title, and then the content idea. As a viewer, as a creator, I should think the same. Number 10 is to use ChatGPT for your video description, for your video scripting, for your video title, and for your video's tags. A new YouTuber at the beginning needs a lot of help, needs an assistant, and ChatGPT got the job for me. I mean, I don't pay him, I don't pay it, but it does an amazing job for me. Like, the video description is amazing, the tags. You just need to ask it nicely and specifically. For example, I want you to write me a script about this topic. You have to give him the chapter that you want to write your script in and to personalize it, to make it your own. I mean, don't just go on ChatGPT and say, write me a video script. It will give you nothing, like something very generic. You don't want generic, you want personalized stuff. The one with the CEO tags is the most important one for me, because in the beginning, in my first video, I was just saying on the computer and I was typing manually the tags, and you can write about I think 500 tags. Do you know what it means to write manually 500 tags for a video to be seen by the algorithm? It's really hard, my friend. But you go to ChatGPT now, I go to ChatGPT now, and I say, please write me 30 tags for this topic, CEO tags, and put a comma after each tag, and that's it. In seconds, it generates me 30 tags. Before I give you my bonus tip, please subscribe and leave your question down below in the comments and hit the notification button. It helps with the algorithm. Thank you so much. Now it's time for the bonus tip. Are you ready? How to explain that to you? Yeah. Find some favorite YouTubers relevant to your kind of channel, to your kind of content, and go and comment to their recent videos, like what did you like to the video, why did you watch the video, how are you going to implement the information that you've heard from the video, and then you will see that more people will discover you from that comment, and they will come to your channel and will binge watch your content because of that comment that you commented on the recent videos. You can do that with small YouTubers and with big YouTubers as well. Trust me, this works, because you know how many YouTubers, small YouTubers, I've discovered through this method? A lot of them, lots of them. Because I was just going through their comments on the video while I was hearing the video, and then I said, oh, I like that comment, let's check this creator out. Oh, nice video, subscribe, pop. Wait, I have another bonus tip that I can give you, which helped me a lot in my journey, and I wish I knew it sooner. So, post a video, watch the video that you've posted from the beginning to the end, and then ask yourself, did I like it? Be honest. Was I engaged? Did I want to comment? Did I understand the message? Did the message was delivered in a correct way, in an engaging way? Would I subscribe if it wasn't me? What did I do right? What did I do wrong? And from the findings on this reflection that you do with yourself, implement everything that you found on the next video. This is the way to improve your next video. So every new video must be better and improved, more improved than the last one that you've posted. This is the top secret for me. I think this is going to be the longest video I will have on my channel. I've already recorded it like half an hour. Oh my god. So after editing, maybe it will be 20 minutes. We'll see. So now if you want to watch how to start a YouTube channel, but how to simply start a YouTube channel with the simplest way possible, check out the next video.